The new roommate rules. Can we talk for a minute?
Yes, sure. What is it?
About our new roommate rules.
Oh, okay. I want to understand.
We share kitchen and bathroom.
Yes, I use them every day.
Please clean after you cook.
I sometimes forget. Sorry.
It's okay, just try daily.
Yes, I can do that.
Also, no loud music at night.
Night means after 10?
Yes, after 10 is quiet time.
Okay. I wear headphones then.
Good idea. That helps a lot.
Thank you. I like music.
Me too, but I sleep early.
Oh, I sleep very late.
What time do you sleep usually?
Maybe 1 or 2 a.m.?
That's very late for me.
Sorry, I will be careful.
It's fine, just keep it quiet.
Yes, I understand now.
One more thing, guests.
Guests? Like friends visiting?
Yes, tell me before they come.
Okay, I will message you.
Great, this will be easy.
Yes, we are good roommates.
Let's hope so.
Or we make new rules later.
The secret room rental. I have a room for rent.
Oh, really? Where is it?
It's in this apartment upstairs.
Upstairs? I didn't see a door.
Yes, it's a hidden door.
Hidden? Like a secret room?
Yes, behind the bookshelf.
Wow, that sounds like a movie.
It's real, I promise.
Is it safe to live there?
Yes, very safe and quiet.
Quiet. I like quiet places.
No noise from the street.
That is good. I study a lot.
Rent is low for this area.
Low. Why is it cheap?
Some people feel strange there.
Strange? Like what?
They say it feels too quiet.
Too quiet. That is funny.
Also, no windows inside.
No windows. Really?
Yes, only lights and a fan.
I need fresh air.
You can open the main door.
Maybe, but I am not sure.
You can see it first.
Yes, I want to see.
Follow me. Don't be scared.
I'm not. Just a little.
Good. It's right here.
Wait, where did you go?
The boring blind date. So, how was your blind date?
It was very quiet.
Quiet can be nice sometimes.
Not this time. It felt awkward.
What did you talk about?
We talked about the weather.
Only the weather? Really?
Yes, and the food menu.
That sounds a bit boring.
Very boring. No fun at all.
Did you ask her questions?
I tried, but she said little.
What did you ask her?
About work and hobbies, maybe.
And what did she say?
She said, "It's okay."
That's not very helpful.
Yes, I didn't know what next.
You can share your stories too.
I did, but she looked bored.
That feels uncomfortable, I know.
Yes, I wanted to leave early.
Did you finish the dinner?
Yes, I was very hungry.
At least the food was good.
Yes, best part of the night.
Will you see her again?
No, I think one time is enough.
Next time, choose the place.
Yes, and maybe talk more.
The new magazine boss. We have a new boss today.
New boss today? Already?
Yes, she starts this morning.
I feel a bit worried.
It's okay. She seems friendly.
Seems, but we don't know yet.
True, first days are always strange.
What is her name again?
Her name is Rachel Turner.
Okay, I will remember that.
Her name is Rachel Turner.
Okay, I will remember that.
She likes simple, clear writing.
Simple, like short sentences?
Yes, and easy words for readers.
Oh, that is easier for me.
Good. You will do fine.
I hope I make no mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. Just learn fast.
Yes, I will try my best.
She also checks work quickly.
Quickly? Like same day?
Yes, sometimes in 1 hour.
Oh, that is very fast.
Keep your work ready and neat.
Okay, I will organize everything.
She is coming now, I think.
Now? Already? I'm not ready.
Relax. Just say hello politely.
Hello. Yes, I can do that.
Here she is. Don't be scared.
Hi. Welcome to our office.
The new intern. We have a new intern today.
Oh, that is me, right?
Yes, welcome to the team.
Thank you. I feel a bit shy.
That's normal on first day.
Yes, everything feels new here.
I will show you your desk.
Okay, thank you so much.
You help with emails and files.
Emails, like writing replies?
Yes, short and polite replies.
Okay, I can try that.
Also, answer phone calls sometimes.
Calls? I speak slowly on phone.
That's okay. Speak clearly and calm.
Yes, I will do my best.
Work starts at 9 every day.
9. I come before that.
Yes, come 10 minutes early.
Okay, I will be on time.
Lunch break is at 1 p.m.
Can I eat here or outside?
Both are fine, your choice.
Nice. I like that.
Ask me if you need help.
I will, but I feel shy.
Don't worry, we're friendly here.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Good. Let's start your first task.
Okay, I am ready to learn.
The Lifestyle Magazine.
Welcome to our lifestyle magazine.
Thank you. I am new here.
I will show you around.
Okay, I want to learn fast.
We write about daily life topics.
Daily life, like food and travel?
Yes, also health and simple tips.
Okay, that sounds interesting.
Your first task is short articles.
Short. How many words?
About 100 to 150 words.
Oh, that is not too long.
Use easy words for readers.
Easy, not big vocabulary.
Yes, keep it simple and clear.
Okay, I understand that.
Add a nice title at top.
Title. Short and catchy, right?
Exactly. You learn quickly.
Thanks. I try my best.
We also use simple photos.
Can I choose the photos?
Yes, but keep them clean.
Clean. You mean not busy?
Yes, simple and clear images.
Okay, I like simple style.
Light.
Deadline is tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow? That is very soon.
Reassuring. Start now, you will finish.
Yes, I will start right away.
Good. I will check your work.
Okay, I will not be late. The magic face cream. I bought a new face cream.
Face cream for skin, right?
Yes, it says magic cream.
Magic. Really? Sounds funny.
I know, but I want to try.
What does it do exactly?
It makes skin soft and bright.
Soft and no dry skin?
Yes, also helps small lines.
Lines? Like on the face?
Yes, around eyes and mouth.
Oh, I have some lines.
You are still very young.
Maybe, but I still worry.
You can try a little.
Me? Use face cream?
Yes, many men use it.
Okay. Maybe I try once.
Use it at night before sleep.
How much? A lot or little?
Just a small amount is fine.
Okay. I will remember that.
Don't use too much at first.
Why? Is it strong?
Some people feel skin irritation.
Oh, I will be careful.
Try it today and tell me.
Yes, if I look younger tomorrow.
Then I'll buy 10 more.
Or we sell it and get rich.
Knocking down the wall.
We need to knock down this wall.
Wall? Really? Are we allowed?
Yes, we have permission.
Oh, I have never done that.
Don't worry. I will guide you.
Okay. I hope I don't break wrong.
First, wear safety glasses and gloves.
Glasses. Okay. Gloves too?
Yes, safety first. Very important.
Okay. I feel a bit scared.
It's normal, but fun too.
Fun if I don't hit myself.
Exactly. Careful with the hammer.
Hammer. I never hold big hammer.
Just swing slowly at first.
Slowly. I can do that.
Good. Now let's start here.
Here? Oh, I hope I'm right.
Yes, small hits work first.
Small hits, not too strong.
Perfect. You are doing well.
Oh, I think I am getting it.
Soon the wall will fall.
Fall? Really? It looks so big.
Yes, step back and watch carefully.
Okay, I will be careful.
Great. Now keep hitting gently.
Yes, I can do this. Time to find a job. It's time to find a job.
Oh, I feel a bit nervous.
That's normal. Many people feel that.
Yes, I don't know where to start.
First, update your CV or resume.
CV, resume, I always mix them.
They're similar, just a list.
Okay, I can try that.
Next, look for online job ads.
Online, like websites or social media?
Yes, both are good for jobs.
Oh, I hope I find something.
Start with small jobs first.
Small jobs. Easier to get, right?
Exactly. Then you gain experience.
Yes, I need some experience.
Prepare answers for interview questions.
Questions, like what they ask.
They ask about work and skills.
Okay, I can practice that.
Dress nicely for interviews too.
Nice clothes. I have a suit.
Good. Confidence is very important.
Yes,
I will try my best.
Don't forget to follow up later.
Follow up. Email or call?
Email is simple and polite.
Okay, I will send email.
Great, you are ready to start.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Training the boss daughter.
Today, we train the boss's daughter.
Oh, I feel a bit nervous.
Don't worry, she is very polite.
Polite, but what if she asks many questions?
That's why I am here.
Okay, I will try my best.
First, show her the office rules.
Rules, like working hours and breaks?
Yes, and also computer use.
Oh, I need to explain clearly.
Speak slowly and use simple words.
Simple words. I can do that.
Also, teach her how to use emails.
Emails. She's very young.
That's fine. Just show step by step.
Okay, I hope she understands.
Let her practice typing a few messages.
Messages. Short and easy, right?
Exactly. Then she gains confidence.
Confidence. Yes, that is important.
Don't forget to praise small achievements.
Praise, even if it is small?
Yes, it makes learning fun.
Okay, I will do that.
Lastly, answer her questions patiently.
Questions. Maybe many. I hope I can.
You will do fine. I trust you.
Yes, I want to help her well.